She scanned everything. The belt was empty. She looked up, and she asked me 4 words. I understood every single one of them. But my mouth, nothing. I smiled, I nodded, and I walked out with my things. Sound familiar? If you know that smile, today is for you. Say this right now before we do anything else. Excuse me, where would I find the milk? Excuse me, where would I find the milk? You just started. I'm Mike, day 11. And those 4 words the cashier asked me? I'll give you the perfect answer at phrase 9. But first, everything you need to get to that cashier. Open your program guide. Day 11. Note page. But first, 3 from last week, 2 times each. Fast. I'll be in touch. I'll be in touch. Hey, could you help me? Hey, could you help me? Can I get a large one, please? Can I get a large one, please? Week 1 and week 2 still in your mouth. Now, the store. Today you shop anywhere in English. Supermarket, clothes store, any shop in any city. I say each phrase twice, slowly. You say it in the gap. First phrase already done. Let's build the full set. Just listen. All of them. Do not repeat yet. Excuse me, where would I find item? Is this on sale? Do you have this in a different size? I'm just browsing, thanks. Can I try this on? Actually, I'll leave it. Thanks anyway. I'll take 2 of these. Can I get a bag, please? Do you accept card? Can I get a receipt? 10 phrases. And I'll give you 3 more at the end tonight. 3 that nobody teaches. Stay for those. Now, let's practice. Excuse me, where would I find the bread? Excuse me, where would I find the bread? Your version. Say what you're looking for. This phrase does 2 things at once. You ask for help, and you sound like you belong there. Excuse me equals polite opener. Works everywhere. Not just shops, trains, airports, restaurants, offices. Where would I find, not where is, softer, more natural. This is the template for any store you walk into. Different item, same sentence, one template, any shop. Is this on sale? Is this on sale? Say it, you're holding something. 3 words, direct, clear. They'll either say yes, no, or tell you the price. And if it is on sale, they'll love that you asked. This one saves you money and starts conversations. You can also say, is this reduced? Same meaning. Or, is there a discount on this? Slightly more formal. All 3 work. Pick one and own it. Do you have this in a different size? Do you have this in a different size? Your version may be a different color too. Change size to anything. Color, style, length. Do you have this in blue? Do you have this in a medium? Same sentence, different word at the end. One template, infinite situations. I'm just browsing, thanks. I'm just browsing, thanks. Say it. Someone just walked up to you. 4 words that save you every time. A shop assistant approaches. Can I help you? You don't need help. You don't want the conversation yet. I'm just browsing, thanks. And they leave you alone. Polite, natural, clean exit. You stay in control. And if you change your mind, they're still there. You can say, actually, I'd love some help now. Actually does that for you. Our connector, you know it. Pause here. Write the 4 phrases you've practiced so far. Day 11, note page. Write now. And in the comments, 1 word. What do you buy most often? Clothes, food, electronics. 1 word. Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Say it. You're at a clothes shop. 5 words. The changing room is yours. Without this phrase, you leave and hope it fits. With this phrase, you try it first. You buy with confidence. This is the phrase between guessing and knowing. Actually, I'll leave it. Thanks anyway. Actually, I'll leave it. Thanks anyway. Say it. You changed your mind. This phrase protects you from buying something wrong. Actually equals our connector. You already know it. I'll leave it equals natural way to say no. Thanks anyway equals kind, clean, no hard feelings. You can walk out of any shop with this sentence. Now, let me tell you about Priya. Priya moved to a new city for work. She spent her weekends walking past the shops on the high street, looking in the windows, not going in. One Saturday, she needed a jacket. She walked in, a very nice shop. The kind of shop she would have walked into easily at home, in her own language, with her own words. Here, she stopped at the door and almost turned around. She went in. A shop assistant came over. Can I help you with anything? Priya said, yes, jacket. The assistant waited. Priya waited. The silence lasted longer than either of them wanted. She pointed at a rack. The assistant nodded. Priya tried nothing on. She bought nothing. She walked out. The jacket she wanted was right in front of her. But she did not have the words to get to it. Not because she couldn't afford it, because she couldn't ask for her size. 3 weeks later, she had 6 phrases. She went back to the same shop. Same assistant. Can I try this on, and do you have it in a medium? The assistant smiled. Of course. The changing rooms are this way. She tried it on. She bought it. And at the checkout, she used phrase 9. We are almost there. 2 more. I'll take 2 of these. I'll take two of these. Say it. You've decided. Simple, clear, confident. I'll take equals decision phrase. You are not asking, you are telling. Change 2 to any number. I'll take 3. I'll take one of each. This phrase makes you sound like someone who knows what they want. Can I get a bag, please? Can I get a bag, please? One more, polite, warm. Or they ask you first, would you like a bag? Your answer, yes, please. Or no, I'm fine, thanks. I'm fine equals natural English way to say no without being rude. You will hear, would you like a bag, in every country. Now you have the answer. Do you accept card? Do you accept card? Say it, you're at the till. 4 words before you take out your wallet. Some small shops still prefer cash. Ask before you hand over your card. Confident, quick, professional. Do you accept card? 3 seconds that save 10 awkward ones. And now, phrase 9. Can I get a receipt? Can I get a receipt? Say it. The transaction is done. This is your phrase when you want the receipt. But here is what you came here for. The 4 words I promised at the start. She looks up. She says, would you like a receipt? That is it. That is the question. 4 words, simple, common. Asked at every checkout. And now you have 3 answers. No, I'm fine. Thanks. Yes, please. Digital is fine, thanks. That smile you smiled in that shop? You walked out not knowing how to say no. Now you have 3 ways to say it, and 1 way to say yes. That conversation is done. You owned it. Pause here. Second pause. Write your 6 remaining phrases from today. Then circle the 3 that will actually come up this week. Day 11 page, right now. Now, the full shopping trip. Listen first. Excuse me, where would I find the pasta? Aisle 4 on the left. Thank you. Oh, is this on sale? It is. 2 for $3 this week. Perfect. I'll take 2 of these. Anything else? Actually, do you accept card? Of course. Would you like a bag? No, I'm fine. Thanks. And a receipt? No, that's okay. Thanks anyway. That was 10 of today's phrases. 1 shopping trip. Shadow the key lines with me. Excuse me, where would I find the pasta? Is this on sale? I'll take 2 of these. Do you accept card? No, I'm fine. Thanks. All 10. Fast. Excuse me, where would I find the milk? Is this on sale? Do you have this in a different size? I'm just browsing. Thanks. Can I try this on? Actually, I'll leave it. Thanks anyway. I'll take 2 of these. Can I get a bag, please? Do you accept card? Can I get a receipt? Slower now. Everyone with me. Excuse me, where would I find the milk? Is this on sale? Do you have this in a different size? I'm just browsing, thanks. Can I try this on? Actually, I'll leave it. Thanks anyway. I'll take 2 of these. Can I get a bag, please? Do you accept card? Can I get a receipt? Your version, your shop, your list. Imagine you just walked in. What do you need? Say it out loud right now. Camera on. 60 seconds. You are in a shop. A shop assistant approaches. Can I help you? You answer. You find something. You try it on. You get to the till. You pay. You leave. Use at least 4 of today's phrases. Pause the video, do it, then press play. Welcome back. This week, go to a real shop. Supermarket, clothes store, anywhere. Say this to a real person. Excuse me, where would I find? Then finish the whole thing in English. Come back and write it below. I shopped in English. And tonight, the 3 bonus phrases I promised. The ones nobody teaches. Here they are. Is this the last one? When you see only one left. Actually, could I swap this? When you want to exchange. No worries, I can find it myself. When you don't need help. Write those 3 tonight before you sleep. Tomorrow morning, say each one twice out loud. That is your day 12 prep. Tomorrow, day 12. What happens when something goes wrong in English? The food is cold. The order is not what you asked for. The room is not what you booked. Right now, most people say nothing. They eat the wrong food. They sleep in the wrong room. Not because they don't deserve better, because they don't have the words. After tomorrow, you handle it politely, clearly, without making anyone uncomfortable. Because complaining in English is not about being difficult. It is about knowing your words well enough to use them calmly. Day 12. Complaining in English without sounding rude. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Day 11. Done.